9.2 10th one. If the sum of first p terms of an AP is equal to the sum of first q terms, then find the sum of first p plus q terms. So what is given is sum of first p terms of an AP. It is denoted by SP. Sum of first p terms of an AP is equal to the sum of first q terms. So SP equal to SQ. So for this AP, let A be the first term, D be the common difference. So given that sum of first P terms is equal to sum of first Q terms. So we can apply the formula for sum of first P terms. Consider first term as A and common difference D. So SP, we can apply the formula for SP, P by 2 into 2A plus P minus 1 into D. This is SP, that is equal to SQ, sum of first Q terms, Q by 2 into 2A plus Q minus 1 into D. Given that SP equal to SQ, sum of first P terms equal to sum of first Q terms, here first term is A, common difference D. Then we can simplify and we want to find the sum of first P plus Q terms, that is SP plus Q. We want to find the sum of first P plus Q terms. So from this we can simplify. Here in both sides outside the bracket into 1 by 2 1 by 2. So that by 2 we can cancel from both sides. Now we can multiply inside. Open the bracket. P into 2A. 2AP. 2AP plus P into P minus 1. P into P minus 1 into D. That is equal to 2A into Q. 2AQ plus Q into Q minus 1D. So just open the bracket. Now we can take all the terms to left side. So here this is 2AP, here 2AQ. So those terms we can write together because A is common factor. So then these two terms, P into P minus 1D, Q into Q minus 1D. Those terms we can write together and we can take D common factor. So first consider 2AP, 2AQ. So 2AP minus 2AQ. So 2AQ taken this side. Next P into P minus 1D plus P into P minus 1D. Then take this to left side. So minus Q into Q minus 1D equal to 0. So all terms are taken to left side. Now from these two terms we can take A common or here 2A common. So 2A into P minus Q plus D into P minus 1 minus Q into Q minus 1 equal to 0. So we have taken here 2A common factor and these two terms take D common. So P into P minus 1 minus Q into Q minus 1 equal to 0. Now we can here we can factorize, simplify, open the bracket and we can factorize that. So here 2A into P minus Q plus here D into P square, P into minus 1 minus P minus Q into Q minus Q square minus Q into minus 1 plus Q equal to 0. Then again factorize this term, that is 2A into P minus Q plus D into here P square minus Q square we can write together. So here we can write P square minus Q square. We can rearrange the terms because we want to factorize this expression. So P square minus Q square write together, then minus P plus Q equal to 0. Again 2A into P minus Q plus D into here P square minus Q square we can write P plus Q into P minus Q. P square minus Q square we can write P plus Q into P minus Q. Then here from these two terms we can take minus common factor, minus 1. So minus 1 into P minus Q, P minus Q. So after taking minus common, minus of P minus Q. So minus 1 into P minus P minus 1 into minus q plus q. So we got inside the bracket equal to 0. So this expression p square minus q square minus p plus q, we are trying to factorize. So this p square minus q square, we wrote p plus q into p minus q. Here from these two terms take minus common, so minus 1 into p minus q. Now again we can simplify. That is 2a into p minus q plus d into. Now first term is p plus q into p minus q. Minus 1 into p minus q. This is the second term. This is the first term. So from these two terms, p minus q is common factor. See here, p plus q into p minus q. Here minus 1 into p minus q. So p minus q we can take common factor from these two terms. So p minus q I am going to take common factor into. So from first term we have taken p minus q common factor. So remaining p plus q. Then from this term p minus q we have taken common factor, remaining minus 1. That is equal to 0. So from the first term and second term p minus q taken common. So p minus q into, here remaining p plus q, here remaining minus 1. P plus q minus 1 into equal to 0. Now from this is the first term, here p minus q is a factor. Here also p minus q, now it is into multiplication. So no need of this bracket because this is multiplication. P minus q into p plus q minus 1 into d. So no need of that bracket. Now see here, this term p minus q is a factor. This term also p minus q is a factor. So from these two terms we are going to take from these two terms we are going to take p minus q common factor. So p minus q into, here after taking p minus q common, here remaining 2a plus, here taking p minus q common, what is remaining? P plus q minus 1 into d. P plus q minus 1 into d equal to 0. So we have taken from first term p minus q is factor, second term also p minus q is a factor, take that outside. So p minus q into, here 2a, here p plus q minus 1 into d equal to 0. Now here we get product of two terms p minus q and this one equal to 0. So one of them should be 0. If the product of two numbers is 0, one of them should be 0. So here we know p minus q is not equal to 0 because p is not equal to q. Because what is given, sum of first p terms of an AP is equal to sum of first q terms of an AP. So if p equal to q, p is actually not equal to q. So here p is not equal to q, therefore p minus q is not 0. That will not be 0 since p is not equal to q. If p is equal to q, p minus q is 0. But p is not equal to q, therefore p minus q is not 0. Therefore the other factor, this factor should be 0. So since p is not equal to q, 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d equal to 0. So product of two numbers 0 means one of them should be 0, but p minus q is not equal to 0 since p is not equal to q. Therefore this factor will be 0. That is 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d equal to 0. So we got 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d equal to 0. Now what we want to find? We want to find the sum of first p plus q terms. Yes, p plus q. Now we can find sum of first p plus q terms. Therefore, S p plus q, sum of first p plus q terms. Sum of n terms, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we want to find sum of p plus q terms. So in the place of n, we have to write p plus q. So p plus q by 2. If you want, you write the formula Sn. Then in the place of n, you write p plus q. So p plus q by 2 into 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d. This is what sum of first p plus q terms. Because Sn, see Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is what Sn. So to find S p plus q, sum of first p plus q terms, in the place of n, write p plus q. So in the place of n, write p plus q. So p plus q by 2 into 2a plus, in the place of n, p plus q minus 1 in the place of n, p plus q. So n minus 1 means p plus q minus 1 into d. So just write the formula Sn, then substitute for n, p plus q. We want to find the sum of first p plus q terms. So just substitute that. Now we want to find this sum. That is equal to, we got 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d equal to 0. So 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d, this term, this one, equal to 0. So what we can substitute this value here. So p plus q by 2 into this term we got equal to 0. So this is 0. So 0 into any number equal to 0. So yes, p plus q, sum of first p plus q terms equal to 0. That is what we want to find. So sum of first p plus q terms equal to 0. Okay.